Hey, check this out. You won't believe what I've got for you today. This AI super trend indicator, it's like a crystal ball for day trading. Seriously, it predicted these amazing price movements like it was nothing. Now imagine if you'd taken a short position, then boom, instant profit. Crazy, right? But wait, there's more. I mean, talk about seeing into the future. And hey, even on a regular day, you could have pocketed a cool profit with this bad boy. I'm telling you, this indicator is the real deal. And get this, it doesn't repaint. Nope. It's based on machine learning, which means it learns from past data to give you even better signals. How cool is that? So stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to optimize this bad boy for maximum results. Yep, you heard me right. Maximum profits from any market. Okay, first things first, let's get this AI super trend indicator onto your chart. Open up TradingView, click on indicators, and type in volume super trend AI. You're looking for the one by this amazing author. Let's give a shout out to the creator for this game changer. Now, what makes this indicator so special? Well, it combines traditional super trend calculation with AI techniques, specifically the K nearest neighbors algorithm. Fancy, right? But don't worry, I'll break it down for you. Basically, it uses trading volume to predict trends more accurately. And trust me, it's spot on. By analyzing historical data points, it can sniff out trends before they even happen. And the best part, it considers not just price movement, but also trading volume. It's like having an extra set of eyes on the market. So how does it work? Easy. Green line underneath. That's your upward trend. Red line above. Downward trend. Simple as that. And because it's powered by AI, you know those signals are rock solid. But wait, there's more. You can customize this baby to your heart's content. Want a smoother view of local patterns? Increase the number of neighbors. Want to focus on recent changes? Decrease it. It's all up to you. Oh, and here's a pro tip: tweak the super trend factor a bit lower for even better results. Trust me, it works wonders. But hey, let's not forget about canceling those fake signals during ranging markets. Ever heard of the range detector indicator? Not many people have, but consider yourself lucky. It's like having a built-in truth detector for your trades. Just slap it on your chart, adjust a few settings, and boom, no more fake signals. It's like magic. And hey, if you like today's tutorial, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more. All right, back to our secret sauce. Once you've got your signals sorted, it's time to make some trades. Short-term uptrend, watch for consolidation. If you get the signal, it's go time for a sell. And vice versa for long positions. Let's see a couple of long and short trades together, but remember, always analyze price action before diving in. It's the key to success in trading. And remember, test out these strategies before going live. Till next time, happy trading.